Hello everyone, back with another video on my channel. Just before the video starts, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button under the video. If you like the video, give us a big thumbs up as well. And don't forget, if you'd like to leave a comment in this video or any of our other videos, please do so. We'll either answer back in a comment, or if your comment is about a video you'd like made, we'll do our best to make a video for you. So we've had another video been sent in today by another one of our viewers, so thank you ever so much to them. This is from Alan Ramsey, and he have sent in a Fendt ploughing. Thank you ever so much for sending in. And like I said to all our viewers, if you haven't seen your video up on the channel yet, please don't panic. We're working through them as fast as we can. Once we've edited them, we will have a message and be sent back to you to be okay before it's put up on the channel. So this video has been sent in by Alan Ramsey, so a big thank you to him for this Fendt video. So thank you ever so much, and stay watching to the end, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye for now. Bye bye.